Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a package from Aliexpress, doll related, that I thought you might want to see. And as I always say on my channel, open every package you get on camera. Even if you don't show it in a video, open it on camera so that you have proof, because a lot of these places are fighting the disputes now. I was looking at these socks. Oh, I love them. I got these for Darren for Christmas. It is now mid-January. We are pre-recording. And they just now showed up. Some of the items were coming really fast, and now they're not again. Aren't these cute for cycling? You can wear these anywhere. Oh, I love it. And we ride 29-inch mountain bikes in yellow. Merry Christmas, darling.
Thank you, love.
And I think this is the other pair. It is. Choo choo. We've been going to train shows. We are setting up some trains, and Darren and I do not have hobbies. We have obsessions. Look at this. Oh, how cute is this? We're going to a train show coming up pretty soon. He can wear these just for fun. That'd be cuter with shorts, though. Oh, I really like those. Feel them. No, you can feel them after. So Darren got socks, and you know what? Look at this bag. I can reuse that for, like, unless you want it. I mean, it is your gift. Put doll shoes in that, and then put it in the little tub I have for each doll. Okay, this I do not know what. Oh yes, I do. Woo-hoo. I have a new Blythe house that I am over the moon about. We found it in a antique mall, and we got it for a song, and Darren had to go back with the farm vehicle and pick it up. But it is a fixer-upper, but look what I found for it. Darren made if you haven't seen the stove video on my channel that Darren made the custom stove for my Blythe doll, you want to go back. Okay, this is a table. Oh, look at that. That's cute. And all of these different food items, which I thought was cute. This was like, I think it was less than $3. So I wanted that, and I think it was under Barbie. They may not be the best little things, but you can use them for one thing or another. This, I am hoping, is shoes that I have been waiting and waiting on. My little welly wishers came. I got them all. Yep, it is. I got them all cleaned up and got their little outfits made. And I've been waiting on their little shoes to come so I can show you their little outfits. I don't want to do barefoot. Let's see what else this should be. It is. These little boots are for an upcoming collab. Coming up pretty quick. It's going to be in February. But boy, oh boy, time is flying. Honest to God, I don't know what this might even be. Wish it'd be more shoes, I'll tell you that. Oh, this is cool. I go to a Monday morning group at our library. It's called Library Yarns, where, gosh, there was a dozen of us at the last one I went to. We get together and crochet and knit mostly, but some people cross-stitch or any kind of needlework. I forgot my crochet hooks, and a lady pulled this out of her purse, or one like it, that someone had gifted her. It's a little keychain with little crochet hooks. I'm betting that Sarah at Octopudding has one of these. Anyway, I'm going to put this in my stuff, so that if I have a little bag I carry with yarns and my project and my doll in. And then I will have crochet hooks every time. And that is what I got today. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.